Hello, my name's Amy McCafferty, and I want to welcome you to 16385 Peacock Lane in Los Gatos. This wonderful property enjoys a quiet cul-de-sac location, and it's a spacious 4,000 square feet with 5 bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms. Let's go inside for a closer look. Can you imagine spending hours out here entertaining friends and family? It's such a beautiful spot with the seasonal creek behind us. Just a great place to relax. This price is $2,998,000. I don't think it's going to last long. I look forward to showing it to you.